Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is June 16, grade 43, question number 10. Topic is O-level sequence, okay? And this question, we have this kind of two triangle and one rhombus shape. Rhombus means all four sides are equal, and triangle and equilateral triangle because all okay. So diagram one, two triangles and one rhombus. So diagram number one, number of equilateral triangles is 2. You can see 2, and number of rhombus tiles is 1. So 1 rhombus. And total number of tiles is, so add them, you got a 3. And total number of 1 unit length, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 are there. So I hope so you got a first column. Similarly here, 1, 2, 3 triangles. So 3 triangles are there equilateral. 1, 2, 3 rhombuses, and 3 plus 2, 6, and you can take 1, 2, 3, calculate yourself, 15 lengths are there. Okay, each side, this is side lengths, okay. He's saying number of, so first of all, fill the boxes. So let's see how we can fill the boxes. This is, you can see here, to add, I just show you sequence, okay. So he is adding 2, he is adding 3, so he's adding 4, so he's adding 5. Okay. So we can say that 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. All right. Now, all right. So this is, what is this pattern here? 3 plus, I think this is an add. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6, 6, 4 plus 10. And it means 15. Answer comes in here, 21. Okay. Now, how to get this one? So, how many lines are there? So, I think here he is adding 7. Here he is adding 9. Okay. So, here possibly 11, and here possibly 13. So, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. So, if you check it, 9, 8 plus 9, 15, 24, 11, you got to become 35. And add, and 48 is answer. So let's see number of the ones and unit length. 1 unit length is this column, okay? So in the 1 unit length in diagram is given this formula. This is the formula, okay? So we can say that this is a teeth nth term value is given here like this, given by him, okay? We can do many ways. I'll do two ways, but no need to 2 ways. For example, 1 time only, but for yours, just sort of understanding sake of, I'm doing 2 times. So when I put this n value 1, so this 8. So when I put all ones here, 1, okay, and t is what? Total number of values for one diagram is unit length is 8. So I'm writing 8. Read it. Number of 1 unit length in diagram n. So it is clear. Number of is 8. So 1 plus 4, 8. So this is 5, so P becomes 3. So no sir, I want to do 2. So put 2 there. So it means 2 square, 4 times 2 plus P. And T2 is what? T2 is 2, 15. So 15 equal to 4 plus 8. So 15 is equal to 12. And P again coming 3. So no need to do 2 times. 1 time enough, okay, 1 time enough. Just sake of understanding that if we want to use 3 even, put 3 here, and equal to 24 here. So again, answer is correct. Calculate number of the 1 unit length in diagram. So equation we got what? 10 Tn is equal to n square plus 4n plus 3. This 3 comes here. Okay. Now he's asking n, so put n 10. Okay. When I put 10 in everywhere, 10 square, 4 times to 10 plus 3, so 100 plus 40 plus 3, so 143 is our answer. Okay. C part, total number of the tiles. Total number of tiles is here. So is given by him this formula. So now this time we have to bring our attention on this line, okay, because total number of tiles and total number of tiles. So same way, first example, okay, if I take n equal to 1, then what happened? So replace everywhere because Tn formula is an square plus bn plus 1 given here, okay. So I put 1 everywhere, every n1. So like this, but Tn is the total number of tiles is this, and for the N1 we have 3. So 3 tiles, take 1, 2, 3, 2 rectangle, triangle and 1 rhombus. So A plus B plus 1, 3, it comes here. A plus B equal to 2, equation number 1, ready? Now again I'll go for N1, I go for 2, okay. So if N is 2, then what happens? It put 2 here, so it becomes A times 2 square, B times 2 plus 1 equal to, in 2 diagram, how many total number of tiles? So 6. So put here 6. So I got a 4A plus 2B plus 1, 6. So I got a 4A plus 2B equal to 5. Equation 2. Now solve them simultaneously. I think if I can do elimination or substitution. So into, I here B is 2, here B is 1. So into 2. So into 2 here, into 2 here, into 2 here. I got 2A, I got 2B, I got 4. Equation 1. So sign changes, sign change, change and change. This cancel and I got 2A is equal to 1. So A becomes a half. And this value of half you can put in any question. I put in this one. So half plus B equal to 2, B equal to 2 minus half, and B becomes 3 by 2, answer. So we got both answers, okay, and I think so this is clear. Now I can put both values in this A and B. So square base pyramid, each of the space, triangle face of pyramid is represented by diagram number 17. Let's say a big pyramid, but each side of pyramid is what diagram number, not 1, 2, 3, 4, no. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so 17 diagram. How many triangles are there and how many pyramids are there together will make a one face of the pyramid, okay? And square base means bottom, the ground is a square base, okay? So represented by 17. How many number of the glasses tiles required? So simply first of all, I will use this formula. So Tn is equal to A value is half n square. B value is 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 n plus 1. So put in the place of n17. Okay. So let's see what answer comes. T17 equal to half times 2, 17 square plus 3 by 2, 17 and plus 1. So let's see how many total tiles are there on the 17th like diagram number. Half times 2, 17 square and plus 3 by 2 into 17 and plus 1. It gave 171 tiles, 171. So there are 171 tiles are required to make a face of a 7, like a, not 5, not 6, 17, like a pattern number, diagram number, like diagram number 1, 2, this we have a 17 diagram. Okay. Now this is question, what the idea he's asking here, let's see, and asking here we have 11 tiles are removed from one of the, okay, I just show you this kind of this is a square base. I try to make it from here, this kind of, okay, so each is 17 side, okay, so they want to make a door here, right, okay, entrance here, okay. And how many tiles required here? 11 tiles. This is 11 tiles. Okay. So how many we needed because base is not there. So number of tiles required. So number of tiles required. How many? Okay. 171 into 4. Why into 4? What's the reason? Because one face, second, third is this one, and 4 the back one. So 4 faces. And minus 11. Why minus 11? Because when we complete the all 4, then we have to subtract 11 tiles. So into 4 and minus 11, and answer 171 times to 4 and minus 11, 673 tiles required. 673 tiles required to make a rhombus base, square base rhombus diagram, and that's it, question finished.